welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu as a Splatoon character, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started for our character mashup. We're going to come over on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to leave quite a big gap here. We're going to come across on the right-hand side of our page, replicating that. Let's come in from the top. So from the top of our circle here, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through underneath. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in a highlight. So on the top, on the inside edge, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And now let's come underneath for the pupil, just replicating that again. And then let's color in our pupil black. We're going to add in the Splatoon mask around the eyes now. So right in the center, we're just going to dip this down, curving this over and up. And then we'll do the exact same thing in the opposite direction. Now we can kind of follow the shape coming around. So on the top, we're going to continue to round this out, curving this over, tucking this down and back in, blending that together. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side, curving this around, tucking this over and back up. Now in the center underneath, we're going to draw in a small sideways oval for the nose, just coloring that in black. Let's come down for our mouth. So right in the center, we're going to tuck this out on the left. We'll do the exact same thing in the opposite direction. Let's move underneath for the mouth, drawing in a nice big arch line. We're going to close this off in the opposite direction, curving that over for the tongue. And now let's move up. We're going to add in some little tufts of hair here. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this over, back in. Now coming in on the top, we're going to curve this out again. And then one more time, just rounding that out, tucking that down. On the bottom here from this point, we're just going to curve this line over. Now let's close off the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this over and down, replicating this on the right-hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here for the cheek, we're just going to curve this out, flattening that out, pulling that in towards the center, and then we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Let's round out the cheek. So on the top, we're going to curve this over and down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in those Pikachu ears now. So on the left, we're going to curve this line up and over on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. From that point now, we're going to curve this back around and in underneath. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Coming up, we're going to curve this through towards the top on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down now and we're going to draw in the paint gun here on the left-hand side. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We're going to round this out on the bottom. We'll draw a diagonal line coming up, and then we're going to leave a little bit of space because we're going to draw the hand holding it. So stepping in, we're going to round this out, curving this down, bringing this up, tucking that back in. For that center finger, just curving that up and down. Let's continue to bring this out on a diagonal, ending that at the same width. Now from here, we're going to curve these in towards the center. Let's close that off with a curved line. We're going to come down from the very bottom here, curving that up. Let's step up again, replicating that. We're going to move up doing that 2 more times. So we're going to curve this through towards the top. Now on the very top here, 2 diagonal lines coming across. And then we're going to close this off with a sideways oval. Now right in the middle, drawing in another sideways oval. And then we're just going to draw in 2 small diagonal lines coming down. Let's draw in the back portion now. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll bring this back up on the side, and then we're going to pull that back through on a diagonal again. Now from here underneath, we're going to draw a straight line coming down and then across towards the hand. We'll step up and do the exact same thing, slightly smaller on the inside. Now for the handle on the back, curving this down, stepping in, replicating that, ending that at the same height. And then we're just going to flatten that out with a diagonal line. Let's curve this back up on the inside. Let's round out the shoulder on the left. Let's draw on the body now. It's coming down on the right. We're going to curve this out, tucking this up and into the center. We're going to follow this through on the left. So we're going to round this out, tucking this back up and in, blending that together. Let's draw on the right arm. So we're going to round this out, curving this down. We're going to bring this in on a diagonal line, back out and up. And then one more time, bringing this out and in. Now from here on the bottom for the foot, we're just going to curve this over, tucking that back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. And now let's draw in 2 curved lines coming in on a diagonal. And then we're just going to draw in the tail behind. So on the top, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal. We're going to pull this back in. We're going to continue to pull this down underneath. And then we're going to curve this through on a diagonal towards the head. Let's come underneath, drawing in another diagonal line coming out. Bringing that back in. Again, bringing this over and through. And now we're just going to draw in a little paint splatter that Pikachu is going to be standing in. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up and down. We're going to round this out even further, tucking this up, pulling this back around and down. Again, from here, rounding this out, curving this over, tucking this back in. One more time, curving this out, pulling this through and down and in towards the middle. We'll kind of replicate this here. So we're going to bring this up on the right, tucking this out, curving that back in. From that edge, rounding this out, curving that down. Now from here, we're going to bring this out, tucking this down and through. We'll curve this up, make this a little wider, tucking this out, down and in. Then we're going to draw in a little bit more of the paint splatter, so we'll just draw in a sideways oval on the left. And then we'll draw in a little circle on the right. And then one more little circle on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu as a Splatoon character. If you enjoyed today's character mashup, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below letting me know which characters we should mix together next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.